Hello guys, my name is Michael. Today we are going to talk about toggle buttons. So are those buttons which when you are press them they stay pressed, and when you release them they stay released, and for that we need to make some change from our last program. And when I run now the program, the old one, you see it was like this. Now we will make some small changes. I will just change this function, and I will change it to ToggleButton, and the one thing which we need to do is we will create a function. Let's say, I don't know, static void change button. Let's call it change button, whatever. Okay. We'll need a G pointer data, call it. Now there's a function, and this function it helps you to find out the state of your button in that moment when you click on it. And the function, it's called GTK ToggleButton get active, I think. GTK ToggleButton get, yes, active. It takes one GTK ToggleButton parameter, and for this we need a cast GTK ToggleButton, and we'll pass here our button, which is data. Okay, and this function we were gonna use it in if else condition. Okay, so let's say if get ToggleButton get active, then we'll call the function print, and we will say the button was clicked, else gprint the button was released, or click it again, I know. So now we make some changes, which are we are going to not close the window when we click the button, but we will gonna call our function, and we will pass our button as a parameter to our function too. Now when we run the program, we'll see when I click it, says the button was clicked and stays green. When I click it again, says the button was released and it's still green, which is not fine because the green is in the released state. And for this one we will need to make some changes. So we go to our CSS file, and here you need to know that there is a property called button check it, and this property helps you to change that color. So let's say background blue. Oh, sorry, color blue. Now I will save it, and when I will run this program, we'll see what happens. Now we have our button, which is green. When I hover it is yellow. When I click on it, it is red. And now when I release the mouse, it will say the button was clicked, and it should be blue. And it is. The button was clicked. Now it's blue. Now when I click again, it should go back to its main state, which was red, and says the button was released. Yes, as you can see here, the button was released and the program works fine. Well, that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you like it, guys. Please subscribe and see you next time.